Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Cadillac XT4. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror,